In order to celebrate Wolf Awareness Week, we're going to be making Mexican Wolf Onigiri. I'm using a short grain brown rice. Normally use sushi rice, which is more sticky, but I would like to use brown rice for the nutritional value. So first of all, you want to make your rice according to package directions. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, a fourth a teaspoon of salt, and a fourth a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then stir it up and cook it according to your package directions until it is nice and tender. While the rice is cooking, I'm going to make a bean salad to serve with onigiri. Started with 2 cups of frozen corn that has been thawed, 2 cans of black beans that have been drained, 1 cup chopped red onion, 2 cups chopped tomato, de-seeded, and 1 cup of chopped pepper. I prefer red pepper, but these were grown in my garden, so I'm using what I had in the garden today. You could also use cilantro, but I forgot to get some at the store. So you might want to add about 1/4 or 1/2 a cup, depending how much you like. Next, I'm making the dressing for the salad. I'm using the juice of 2 limes. Then I add the lime juice to this dressing container, which has a plunger to mix it up. You could also shake it in a jar or stir it in a bowl. Next I add olive oil. Put in about 4 tablespoons. A 1/4 a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon chili powder, and then I use the plunger to mix it up. I decided it needed some sweetness, so I added 1 tablespoon of honey. I like to use local honey. After you mix up the bean salad, you want to refrigerate it while you form the onigiri. My rice has cooled and is ready to use. I'm going to be using a plastic rice mold for this that's shaped like a dog. It did come with directions, but it's in Japanese. However, there are a lot of pictures of different ways you can assemble the dog. In Japan, they would use seaweed to cut out the faces and decorate the onigiri. I cut out some slices of Monterrey Jack, since this is a Mexican wolf and I use Mexican spices. First, you take your mold and fill it with rice. Then I'll take the flat black panel of the mold and smash it to form the dog. I'm using a black olive for the nose and using the nose cut out. I also use the cutout on the cheese to make the ears, eyes, and mouth. I had difficulty doing this, but I think it would have been easier if the slices of cheese were bigger so you could cut out the whole face at once. Onigiri often has fillings, so in this one I'm going to be putting some chopped olives, and for the eyes I'll also use chopped olives to indicate that there's black olives inside. I also made a few with the scraps of cheese inside the onigiri. I ended up making 10 wolves out of my 1 cup of rice. Then I served this with slices of avocado and the bean salad. This makes a great meatless meal.